And by the way, in case you didn't notice, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Zoe Patience, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Happy New Year. It's so good to have you back in the year of 2020, and congratulations for getting into the year of 2020. I wish you nothing but the best for this year, the best for this year, and I just hope that you have a fruitful year, that you go work for those goals, you go work for those dreams, and you achieve that which you want to achieve. Because come on, we deserve to be happy, we deserve to be having the best things possible in life. So today, this is my comeback. This is my official video back on YouTube in the year of 2020. You last saw me in December, and you know very well that something changed because I was being so consistent ever since I came back on YouTube. So I'm just back to let you know why I have been away on YouTube. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should, Zoe Smiles, follow me please, thank you. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know why I have not been uploading, but I am back, and I am hoping to be as consistent as usual, 2 times a week on Wednesdays and on Sundays or Saturdays. I'll check. I moved to America, so yeah, that's why I've been away. I moved to America, I started getting ready. I couldn't vlog my journey here because I was so tired. I had so many things on my head, I had so many thoughts going through my mind, and I just did not have the time to vlog. But I will try to vlog now that I'm here. So yeah, I moved to America, and the question might be, why did I move? Because I was already going for my 3rd year. The reason I moved was because an opportunity came and I took it, because I know that God places me in certain places for a reason. So when I got this opportunity to come here, I was so excited, and I'm so grateful, and I'm grateful to my family for being there for me and supporting me and financing me to be here today. So anyways, I am now studying at the University of Minnesota, Mankato. That's what they call it, okay? I'm not changing my tone. They call it Mankato. In Africa, we would call it Mankato, but they call it Mankato here. So we have to do as the Romans do. So that's where I am, and yes, so I'm now studying nursing. I started afresh, which is weird, I know. I'm doing applied health and nursing now, and the reason why I will get into that another time. But guys, I am so excited, I am so happy. The date today is the 17th of January 2020, and I'm filming this video locked into my room because it's so cold and it's snowing heavily outside. When I look there, it's because I'm looking outside, that I can't even get out, and all the Saturday classes have been cancelled because it's that bad. But I'm just hoping to be back, and I hope that you have been waiting. You did not unsubscribe, you did not forget me. I hope you did not forget me, because I certainly did not forget about you. I am back on the YouTube space now. It's for you to tell me what kind of videos you're expecting from me, what you would like to see from me, what are your expectations, because I have my own expectations, but I also want to hear from my viewers what you want to see from me. And by the way, in case you didn't notice, anyway, I'm sorry, okay, anyway, I feel so bougie in this. Okay, anyway, let's just get back to the video. So I'm so grateful that you are here with me. I'm so grateful to be in 2020, and I hope it's a fruitful year for you. I hope it's a perfect year for you. This is the year of perfection, and I hope that you experience the perfection. I hope that you experience success, and I can't wait for this year. I know I'm late with the hype, but I can't wait for this year, to be honest. So yeah, that's why I came on YouTube to film this short video, just to tell you guys that I am back. So if you had not subscribed, subscribe please, and if you had already subscribed, you are awesome. Just leave a comment down below, tell me what you're expecting, what do you want to see. And yeah, I will see you in my next video, which is not going to be very far away. And I'm so glad to be back. It's so good. It feels so good to be here. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you have not subscribed, I would advise you to subscribe now. And because we're gonna do a lot of fun things this year. We're gonna have giveaways and we're gonna go forward, and it's all gonna be that way because of you. So I am so excited to start this journey with you, to tell you all about my experiences in America, the American culture, how it differs from our South African culture, how it differs from the Zimbabwean culture. And I'm just so excited. I can't wait to experience this with you. So subscribe, like, comment, share this video with other people, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.